You've had the most magical time at Disney, but now you're back home and reality has set in. How do you keep that Disney magic alive? Stick around because in this video, I'm sharing the secret sauce to making the magic last long after your vacation ends.
I'm Christina. I'm a traveler, a planner, and most importantly, a mom. I'm sharing my best tips to make traveling as a family a little less stressful. So put down your phone, pack your bags, and let's showcase the world.
Hi, I'm Christina, and I'm the owner of Showcase the World Travel, a modern travel agency dedicated to helping families take a break from the busy. And something we pride ourselves on is not just forgetting our clients after they've returned from their trip, but making sure we're helping them continue their vacation and reliving it intentionally, right? You're spending a lot of money on your vacation. You're doing it because you want to break from the day-to-day. You want to connect as a family. And so we love to help our families continue that after their trip with ways to connect as a family at home or take a break from your day-to-day without having to, leave to get on a plane again. As much as we'd like to help you plan your next trip, we also want to help you connect as a family during that time between vacations. So what happens after the trip is over? The Disney magic doesn't have to end when you leave the parks. We're going to share some creative and meaningful ways to keep the magic alive at home, so your family can relive those special moments for months or even years to come. One of my favorite ways to relive the magic with my family is themed family nights. We recreate our favorite Disney moments with themed family nights. Maybe we make a meal from our favorite Disney restaurant. We love the Chef Art Smith's cookbook. Our hummingbird cake has become a staple, and we make it every couple of months just to remember our trip and our favorite dessert. I also love hosting movie nights featuring classics like The Lion King or Moana, paired with themed snacks or meals. You can even dress up as your favorite characters or learn the dance from your favorite movie. It's a fun way to bring the whole family together and relive the magic. You can turn your photos and souvenirs into lasting treasures. Create a scrapbook or a digital photo album that highlights your favorite moments from the trip. Another idea is to make a memory jar. Fill it with small mementos like ticket stubs, pressed pennies, or even a little sand from the beach at Disney's Castaway Cay. These projects give you something tangible to revisit whenever you need that little dose of Disney. So many of us travel to create family memories. What about doing something together, like making coasters out of your park maps, or letting your kids design shadow boxes with their favorite photos and mementos? Another idea is creating a photo book to preserve those magical moments. I did this for my daughter's first birthday trip to Disney in December 2019. And man, did that become a cherished keepsake. Little did I know that she wasn't going to be able to see the family that we had gone to Disney World with for months. So during COVID, she would flip through it daily, pointing out the characters and family members, keeping her connected to both the magic of Disney and her loved ones. The best way to keep the magic alive? Start planning your next adventure. Maybe you've always wanted to try an experience like Savor the Savannah at Animal Kingdom. It's one of my absolute favorite things that Disney has to offer. You can watch the video here. If you're looking for a more relaxing getaway after a busy park experience, a Disney cruise could be just the ticket. For me, my love of travel started with Epcot and its ability to transport me to different cultures. This spark led me to explore Disney's Adventures by Disney, which offers immersive experiences around the world. Whether it's your next trip to the parks or something completely new, our team specializes in helping families discover more of Disney's magics in unique and personalized ways. If you're looking to go beyond the theme parks for your next adventure, download my free guide, The Ultimate Family Vacation Without Overwhelm: 7 Reasons Why Adventures by Disney is the easiest way to travel for families. I'll share how to grab it at the end of this video. You can also bring some Disney into your daily life. If you need a little budget break or a break from the busyness of travel, start incorporating small Disney touches into your everyday routines. Use your favorite Disney mugs for morning coffee, our go-to start for a magical day. Whip up some Mickey-shaped pancakes to bring a smile to everyone's faces after a rough week. Light a resort-themed candle to transport you back to your favorite hotel. By the time it burns out, it might be time to plan your next stay. I love to play Disney background music during car rides or while I'm cooking to infuse ordinary moments with extraordinary joy. And I don't mean like a Disney music playlist, I mean like music from the parks. That theme-setting music, especially Main Street. That's one of my absolute favorites, is listening to the background music from Main Street. These little touches can help you carry a little bit of Disney magic with you throughout the day. I mentioned earlier having those Disney themed nights. Well, if you're not all in on an entire theme night, just recreate your favorite recipes together. Every single restaurant at Walt Disney World, if you love a dish, you can ask them for the recipe and they'll bring it out for you. Cooking a favorite Disney recipe as a family is a fantastic way to keep the magic alive. Whether it's Dole Whip, Mickey waffles, or churros, the process of recreating these treats together can spark conversations of your favorite moments from the trip. Plus, it's a fun activity that brings a taste of Disney right into your kitchen. Another great way to keep the Disney spirit alive is to share it with friends and family. Host a Disney trivia night or share your travel tips with other Disney-loving families. It's a great way to bond with your community and relive the joy of your trip. Of course, you're probably going to encounter someone who also wants to visit and have just as magical a time as you. So make sure you share this video with them or one of our other videos with them so they know that there's someone here to help them plan the magic. I love to plan small surprises to keep the magic alive, right? We think so much about surprising our kids with a trip. I love to include my kids in the planning of the trip. It gets them more excited and more involved, but small surprises keep the magic alive, like Disney-inspired books, crafting personal keepsakes, or making a countdown calendar for your next trip. Even if it's a while away, the anticipation can be magical in itself. These help maintain the sense of connection as a family and the joy that Disney brings. You're spending a lot of money and you're investing a lot of time into your vacation. You don't want to just forget about it the second that you get home. Keeping the magic alive doesn't have to be time-consuming or expensive. It's all about finding what resonates the most with your family. Are you ready to explore new ways to keep the Disney magic alive? Don't forget to download the free guide, All About Adventures by Disney, the ultimate family vacation without overwhelm. It's packed with ideas for making your next Disney experience unforgettable. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved these tips, please like, subscribe, and share this video with other Disney fans. Until next time, don't forget to take a break from the busy and keep the magic alive.
Need help planning your next family vacation? Visit us at showcasetheworld.com to request a quote or schedule a free vacation consultation. Want more great travel tips? You'll find those there too.